Hey there and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing and click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoy this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family who you think might enjoy this tutorial as well. It'll help my channel grow. So for today's tutorial, what you're going to need are some feather boas that you can get in your toy department at Dollar Tree, one of your large bowls that you can get in the party area, and a battery operated light. Now, if you don't want a battery operated light, or you're going to hang this, which you can easily hang this from a ceiling, you can also order some remote control battery operated lights from Amazon, and I'll place a link down below of my favorites from Amazon where you can scroll down and find the battery operated lights. But this one, since it's a lamp, I used the Dollar Tree lamp battery operated lights. So go ahead and stick your light to your bowl, which has a sticker in the back of the light, and then you're going to start gluing your boas onto your bowl. Now what I did was actually leave the knot at the end of the boa just in case I want to hang it later on down the line. That's another option of how you can hang it as well. And then you're going to loosely wrap your boa around your bowl. And when I mean loosely, just try to place your rope onto your glue, not your feathers. That way your feathers can be nice and fluffy. And for this large bowl, I only purchased 4 boas, but you can purchase 5 and it'd be a lot more fluffier, which I wish I would have, but 4 is just fine if you don't want it too fluffy. But I would recommend 5 if you want it more of a fuller look. So you just go ahead and continue to glue your boa around your bowl. And right now, there's some black feather boas, black with gold on it. I guess it's for Halloween, which would be really, really pretty if you have that color decor in your home. And this lamp, it's not just for, say, a little girl's room, which would look adorable in a little girl's room, but it would also look really pretty and sophisticated depending on what color feathers you use, and also what color of your lamp stand you're going to use. And it can be glammed up really easily with some bling on your lamp post, or your actual lamp itself, or spray painted silver, like the metallic gold. Or so this is something that not just a child's room would look pretty in. This is something that would look really pretty in even a living room, or maybe on top of a vanity. So there's quite a few different areas and options of where you can place this lamp at in your home. Let me know in the comments down below where you're going to place yours at. This one I'm actually making for my daughter. She's a teenager, so she's going to have it in her room on her end table. lampshade, we're going to start doing our lampstand. And what I did was grab 2 of these tall flower vases and one of the round flower vases that they have right now in your Halloween area. And I glued it in between both of my flower vases. Now the bottom flower vase that you're going to use, go ahead and add something in it. I'm using these white stones that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. You can use these or maybe some marbles or even sand if you'd like. Just something to place in that vase to make it heavy and more sturdier, since it is a lamp. You don't want it to be easily topped over or anything. And since I'm using this in my daughter's room, I wanted to make sure that it was nice and sturdy and secure. So I'm filling up the bottom vase with these stones. And you don't have to worry about it because you are going to spray paint it the color of your choice. So you're not going to see the whatever you put in your vase. So once you're done filling it up and you feel comfortable with the amount that you placed in there of whatever you're using, go ahead and add your glue. And then I always leave a little spot for my hot glue just to glue it on and make sure it's nice and secure while my other glue is drying. Make sure you center it and then just go ahead and add the top part of your lamp to the bottom. Just like that. Now the top part, this is a small bowl that you can get in your party area as well, and it usually comes in a pack of 6, and it's the perfect size, the exact size of your light, your battery operated light. Now I would recommend, if you don't feel comfortable placing this bowl on top before you spray paint your lamp stand, go ahead and just leave that until the end and glue it on, because you can't spray paint that part since that's where your light's going to come shining through. So I'm going to spray paint mine gray, but again, you can spray paint it the color of your choice. And this is the way it looks once it's all completely dried up and placed on a stand. So what do you guys think? I actually love the way this turned out. And again, just remember not to spray paint the bowl where you're going to place your light in. And this is how it looks with the lights turned off. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be making yours. And this is how it looks hanging, which is adorable as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.